So the way we're going to test this is simply by rotating your body all the way to the right and then rotating your body all the way to the left. And what you should be noticing is when your body twists all the way to the right, there's movement in your feet. Let's start there. So when you twist to the right, you should start to feel how your ankle also twists out to the right. So everything twists to the right. Your ankle twists, your shin twists, and your thigh twists. Everything twists to the right. Now, some people may not really know, is my ankle twisting? I can't tell. If that's you, grab your pen if you're comfortable to do this. And I want you to find, there's a little squishy spot at the front of your ankle. And this isn't super technical, but it's kind of useful just for the purposes of today. And you can make a little dot. Can you see that? A little dot in that squishy bit at the front of your ankle. And we're just going to use that as a reference point. If you don't want to draw on yourself, you can also just take that point and give it a rub so that you have a bit more, you can remember the part of your foot that you want to talk about. And so pretend there's a laser beam shooting out that point of your foot. As you rotate your body towards that foot, you should be able to just look down and see that dot on the front of your ankle is also orienting more towards your pinky toe. So it's twisting out. Does that happen? When you twist your pelvis, does that dot rotate outwards a bit? It's not going to go far. I believe there's only about 8 degrees. 8 of rotation outwards of the ankle. So it's not a big rotation, but it should be there. Check with your other foot. And while you're doing that, as you rotate towards that foot and you feel the ankle twisting out towards the pinky toe side, do you see your arch lifting up off the floor? A natural response to twisting your body towards a foot should be for that foot to pick up the arch off the floor and the ankle to rotate outwards from your big toe. So if you twist your body left, ankle rotates left, leg rotates left, arch picks up, and probably you can feel the opposite happening on the other leg if you pay attention. Now the last thing you want to check, because remember we need 3 points of contact. When you rotate your whole body, does your foot just roll over and you lose that big toe side of your foot? If you don't try to hold your ball of your foot down, does it stay down or does it roll off? People who've had some ankle sprains and things like that, they might not be able to keep that first metatarsal down on the floor, which means the foot's not supinating, it's just rolling out. So we never want to practice our supination exercise with this happening. Okay? So that's your simple check-in